meat. Yeah, I'm going to add my meat. John. Hello guys, welcome to the KAS family. So today I'm going to be cooking. So I'm going to be officially welcoming you guys to the KAS family kitchen. So today I'm going to be making pepper soup and banga soup. You don't want to miss this my banga soup recipe. Like, I'm going to be using ewere. Okay, so come with me, let's start. My meat. Yeah, I'm going to add my meat. I'll be adding my water. So I'm going to be adding my fish, already washed fish. Yeah, so I'm going to be adding pepper soup spices. Depending on, so I'm going to be adding seasoning cube, salt, crayfish. This is grinded crayfish. Yeah, I like spicy food, so I'm going to stir and then allow it to cook like really well. I'm going to be peeling my yam and my secret ingredient, if you know, you know, sugar. Like, I cannot eat yam without sugar. Hello, goodness. John. Ella. Auntie Volke.
Slay. I'll squeeze. Slay.
So I'll be adding a biogo or benetete. See my seasoning cube, salt. You can see the goodness of this soup. So now we're going to just leave it to boil.